It was a calm Monday morning at Mlimani Secondary School. Colorful banners waved in the breeze, reading, Mlimani Science Fair 2025, discover the wonders of chemistry. Amani, a curious young student, walked with a smile, wearing his white lab coat. In his hands, he held a small notebook labeled, Grandma Tunu's Secret Lab Notes. A gentle voice echoed from the notebook. It was Grandma Tunu's.
Amani, today you will see how chemistry is like a great tree with many branches. Each branch has its own story, but all grow from one root, curiosity.
Suddenly, a soft green mist rose from the pages. The notebook opened by itself, revealing a glowing map of the science fair. Each tent carried a name: physical, organic, inorganic, analytical, biochemistry. Amani's first stop was the physical chemistry tent. Inside, students demonstrated experiments about heat and energy. A piece of metal turned bright red when heated.
So this is chemistry about how things change with energy?
Amani asked curiously.
Exactly,
Replied one student with a grin.
physical chemistry explores the relationship between energy and matter, like heat, light, and pressure.
Next, Amani entered a tent filled with fruity and soapy scents. A student was making soap from coconut oil.
Welcome to organic chemistry,
Said the student excitedly.
This is the chemistry of carbon compounds, the science of life. We study things like oils, plastics, medicines, and living matter.
Amani laughed softly.
So this is the chemistry that smells good?
In the next tent, bright colors filled the air as liquids changed from blue to red.
Here we study inorganic chemistry.
Explained another student.
It deals with non-living things like metals, minerals, and gases. Without this branch, we wouldn't have glass, cement, or batteries.
Wow, so the world itself is built from this chemistry?
Said Amani, eyes wide with wonder. Amani stepped into a smaller tent filled with measuring tools and test papers. A student dipped an indicator strip into water. It turned from yellow to red instantly.
This is analytical chemistry.
The student explained.
It's all about testing and finding out what substances are made of. It's used in medicine, water quality tests, and even in forensic science.
So this is like detective chemistry?
Amani said with excitement. At the final tent, colorful posters of human cells decorated the walls. A student explained how food turns into energy in our bodies.
Welcome to biochemistry.
She said.
It's the chemistry of life, the reactions that happen inside living things. Every breath, every heartbeat, is chemistry in motion.
So, I'm like a living laboratory?
Amani asked in awe.
Exactly.
She replied with a smile. After exploring all the tents, Amani sat under a big tree and opened Grandma Tunu's notebook again. The pages glowed softly, showing golden words.
Now you have seen, Amani. Chemistry is not just a subject, it is the story of a changing world. All these branches connect, like the roots of life itself.
Amani smiled, closing the notebook gently.
I want to become a storyteller of chemistry.
He whispered.
This is my new journey.
Answer: the day of the science fair became the beginning of a new story. The story of Amani and the living world of chemistry that speaks through everything we see.